Hi, first grade. This is Mrs. Arbini, and I don't usually join you for science, but today I'm going to, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the landfill orchestra. We have this video here, and I know a lot of you in Mrs. Bluette's class and Mrs. Miller's class and Mrs. Hutchison's class, you guys don't have live teachers today. So I am dropping in this video just because you don't have them to teach you a science lesson. My friends, I'll take care of you, but this is for everybody else. We are going to learn about the landfill orchestra. This is an amazing, amazing group of people who live in a very, very, very poor country. And they don't have musical instruments. And so they make their own out of trash from a landfill. It is amazing to see what they produce. Cellos and trumpets and flutes, all from things they find in the landfill. I want you to watch this video, and I want you to think about how they made their instruments and how they get their instruments to produce sound. You're going to need this information for our next activity.